Hello guys, welcome back to Infinite Insight Geometry, Lesson 2.3, Distance. Alright, let's begin. So, what is distance? The distance is the length between 2 points. We talked about line segments before, and they have 2 endpoints. So, a distance of a line segment would be the length between those 2 endpoints. Distance is always a positive number because it doesn't specify the direction of the points, meaning that any way that you go, even if you're going right to left, you can always go left to right and make it positive. It doesn't really matter what direction you go in because it will always be a positive number. That's all the definitions for lesson 2.3. But the hard part is what comes after, because we want to know how to find the distance. But also a key thing to note here is that the distance of segment AB is the same as the distance of segment BA because they're the same 2 endpoints, meaning that they share the same line segment, meaning that they have the same distance. So we use the distance formula to calculate distance, and this might seem like a lot at first, but it'll be fine because really this is just another way to say the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and since any 2 points on the coordinate plane make a right triangle, the Pythagorean theorem applies. As you can see, if we set a as x2 minus x1, the difference between the x coordinates, and b as y2 minus y1, the difference between the y coordinates, then c, the distance, would be the hypotenuse between the 2 points. So knowing how to calculate distance is one of the most fundamental things that you can learn in geometry, because time and time again you're going to have to learn the distance between 2 points, and the Pythagorean theorem will also help you do that. But just know that it's the difference between the x coordinates and the y coordinates that make it possible to calculate the hypotenuse. And that'll be all for today's lesson. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, feel free to email me down below, and I will see you all next time.